Britain is a land of restless stories, where every shadow holds a memory and every mist hides a name. Come closer, traveller, and listen. For in the silence between heartbeats, you may hear them too. The whispers in the fog. The southeast of England is a land of chalk cliffs and sea mists, a place where churches crouch above forgotten graves and the old rites never quite went out. Here, fire and faith have long danced together, and not all who burned found peace. Rye is a town of tilted roofs and winding lanes, where the wind smells of salt and thyme. Centuries ago, its watch bell rang each night, warning of fire or invasion. But locals whispered that it had another purpose: to guide the souls of the dead. One night in 1756, the bell tolled 12 times. The bell tolled 12 times for a young woman who was not yet dead. When she returned home the next morning, something was wrong. Her voice no longer echoed. Her shadow was gone. They said she wandered the streets in silence, her eyes hollow, her reflection missing from every window. And when she finally vanished, villagers began hearing her whispers in the fog. A voice that asked to be heard, but never answered. Even now, those who walk near the bell tower after dark swear they hear a woman's faint cry. "Let me in!" No one ever does. Every November, the people of Lewes celebrate bonfire nights with flames and parades, a yearly spectacle of sparks and smoke that fills the narrow streets. But the fire remembers more than Guy Fawkes. It remembers the martyrs. During the reign of Queen Mary, Protestants were burned alive here, their ashes scattered into the soil. The townsfolk still call them the silent martyrs. Each bonfire night, as torches flare and fireworks burst, some swear they see them, figures cloaked in smoke, faces hidden, walking just out of step with the living. At midnight, near the War Memorial, there's said to be a whisper in the crowd. "Do you see me now?" And those who answer are never seen again. In the southeast, the veil between fire and fog is thin. The bells of Rye still ring for the lost, and the flames of Lewes still burn for those who will not rest. Next, our path leads west, to the moors and manor houses of Devon, Dorset and Somerset, where brides walk in winding shrouds and black dogs guard their buried gold.